Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SOP video update for Monday 18th of July. And right now I'm highly expecting finally SOPs to start moving the needle and go to the upside. Okay, so we're already near the resistance at the moment. Bitcoin is looking super amazing to go to $24,000. So the thing is that SOP at the moment is highly likely to come up and break this level, and you're looking for the next technical target to come up here. So that's the daily. I just want to look at the 4-hour time frame and how the build up is happening at the 4-hour time frame. So here we are. All right, so we do have a little bit of resistance that actually was met for SOP right over here. So this something like this one has been broken, and at the moment there's a small retracement that you might see, and that retracement is just down here to this level, which is going to be 406 down here. Touch this level and start to move higher and higher and higher. I would like to say that if this looks like a good trade to take with a stop loss at 390, okay, I'm not expecting SOP now to come down to even take 390 and move lower, but if it does come down here, then that's going to be a big negative sign at the moment, because that's your bullish engulfing candlestick, and that's where you're meant to place the stop losses, right? You've had this resistance there, broke it out, closed in a bullish candle. You're coming for the retest, hold the retest, go higher, try to come up here and break that level as well and move even higher, and it's going to take you all the way up to 499 for a nice amazing ride to the upside. And that's it for today's update on SLP. Quick one. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.